Did you ever want to know what it comes down to? Look no further. We will tell you how it is and what it comes down to.
Hello, Chuck Boutall, and today we're going to be talking about odor control and the use of masking and pairing agents. Now, when it comes to odor control, it's always talked about as source removal, source removal, source removal. Remove the physical source, clean the area thoroughly, and of course recreate the other conditions of penetration so you make sure that you actually get your cleaners, solvents, disinfectants, or deodorizers deep into the material as it was when the odor source happened. But we're going to be talking about ongoing odors. Odors where we cannot eliminate the source. Let's just say it's the household pets. You can't get rid of Fido and Felix the cat, otherwise than that you're going to be in some kind of trouble. So we're going to need to cover their scents or pair with their scents in order to make the area smell great. Now you could also have people who smoke. You could always have people having hobbies in the garage or down in the basement. And of course in the garage we have motor fuels and oils and pesticides and whatnot that also give off odors that are constantly there. So in these particular areas we can address it one of two ways. Let's look at the first way, a masking agent. That is literally like a mask. You put it on your face, like a Mardi Gras mask or a Halloween mask. We are literally covering the scent with a mask. So what we've done is we've taken a malodor. Now the definition of a malodor is an odor that someone doesn't like. Now very much remember, some people could love the smell of cinnamon, other people could hate the smell of cinnamon. Some people love the smell of cherry, other people could hate the smell of cherry. So a malodor is any odor that the facility owner, manager, tenant, whoever happens to be there doesn't like. Okay, whether you like it or not, to them it's a malodor. So make absolutely sure when we're going to use a cover or masking scent, we're going to use a odor that's pleasant for that customer so that we're going to use a good odor in order to cover up that malodor. Now these typical cans of scents and other types of things, you get one when you wash your car, auto air freshener, many of your cans of spray, or simply cover scents. These could be long lasting. Some of them plug into walls. The best thing to do with those type of things is put them in a permanent location near an HVAC control so that basically as the return air goes into the air conditioner, it picks up the nice cover scent and goes throughout the building. And or you could go ahead and put one in an individual room where the source is located at. The other is a pairing agent. Now, pairing agents work on a chemical matrix, and basically the combination of the chemical pairing agent that we're going to put into the air and the actual malodor are going to come together, and they are going to change into another chemical in the air, eliminating the odor. And these work the best because they actually do kind of cleanse the air, if you will, of the malodor itself. And they're typically more effective. So if you have a chronic odor, in other words, one that's going to stay consistently, I typically recommend going to a masking and pairing agent that'll give you scent. There are also pairing agents only in gases like ozones and hydroxyls that will basically eliminate odor without adding a scent. So if you have people who are very scent conscious, you can just have scent elimination without additional scent. But most people like to put a little nice scent into their room. So if it's in a whole house type situation, you want to treat the whole house. If it's in a room area or one particular part of the home or commercial office building, you want to basically identify that area. When it gets down to it, folks, very simple. For individual control, very quick and easy. Masking agents will give you a quick but temporary fix for the situation. When we come down to pairing agents, it's also going to be quick and temporary, but they're going to do a more deeper job and it's going to last longer. Very simply, if you've got a whole home where we're talking about smoke or pet odors or something like that, or an entire commercial office space that has an odor due to a process or whatever else, best place to do it is get into a more professional commercial grade system and place it in the air conditioning system return air. So that way, every time the air conditioning system runs, heating system runs, it's going to be picking up that masking and pairing agent and distributing it through the building, thus treating the entire environment. Now, of course, if you're looking for specific room sizes, we can get small little generators, ozone and hydroxyl, all the way up to a excellent system such as like the Vapor Tech and the Vapor Shark that can do individual rooms. So remember, is it throughout the entire facility or is it just isolated? And whether you're going to treat it with just a cover scent, no cover scent, or you're going to go ahead and do a cover scent with pairing. So the choice is yours. You've got 3 out there. Pick one you would like, work with the customer, and of course what? You can always change them as time goes on to get the perfect scent and the perfect pairing agent to knock out the odor that's causing the problem for your facility. When it gets down to it, thank you for learning with rtilearning.com.